In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Turbotax for entering your W-2 information quickly and easily. Turbotax makes filing taxes a streamlined process, but having a clear guide can be helpful, especially if it's your first time. Let's dive right in and navigate through this process together. First, head over to the Turbotax official website. This is your starting point for filing taxes online, where all your data remains secure and accessible. Once on the homepage, look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account quickly. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. Here, locate and click on the Federal section. This area is essential for your federal tax returns, and we'll be focusing on it throughout this video. Next, navigate to the Wages and Income section. It's here that you'll enter your W-2 information. Now, you might notice different options appearing in the toolbar. Look for the option that says 1099 NEC and type this phrase into the search bar. While traditionally associated with independent contractor income, having this option helps in catering to various income streams you might need to report. After you've done that, direct your attention to the self-employment section. If you happen to have any income from self-employment, this step will allow you to handle it alongside your regular W-2 income seamlessly. It ensures that no matter the form of income, everything is consolidated in one spot. Finally, you're going to click on the Start button. This is where the real action begins. By clicking Start, you'll open up the step-by-step guide that TurboTax offers, walking you through entering your W-2 information accurately. Don't worry about making mistakes. The platform is designed with the user in mind and provides helpful hints and validation checks to guide you. Going through these steps methodically will help make the tax filing process a breeze. Taking your time to carefully follow each step ensures accuracy and saves you from any potential mishaps down the road. TurboTax is designed to simplify the process, but having a clear guide like this one can certainly make a big difference. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're now feeling more confident about entering your W-2 information using TurboTax. Remember, having everything organized and following the platform's intuitive interface will save you both time and stress. Keep watching our channel for more helpful tips and guides.